Whoa, dude, what in the world happened to you?
Oh yeah, you know that bump on top of Henderson Hill?
Yeah?
Yeah, I hit that puppy doing 90.
What? Why?
Because I felt like it.
Did you not think twice before doing something like that?
Shoot, I didn't even think once.
Dude, if brains were explosives, you wouldn't have enough to blow your nose.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Daninator channel. Today we're going to have a little bit of fun with my Silverusto. As you know, we're going to pull the engine out of this thing, so this truck is basically scrap at this point. I've heard about this and I've actually seen this done on YouTube before, and that is cracking the ceramic off of a spark plug and throwing it at a piece of glass and it'll break, apparently pretty easily. But I want to try it for myself. So will a cracked piece of porcelain off a spark plug crack this window? Well, we're about to find out. Let's get cracking. All right, we got to get our specimen. Here goes nothing. All right, got some good pieces here. Let's give this a try. All right, so we're gonna throw this bigger piece, and if that doesn't work, I'll throw the smaller piece. Safety glasses for protection, but this is very little bit of nothing feeling. I'm gonna run a slow motion camera over here with my phone. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. You have got to be kidding me. It works. I don't know why I'm surprised. I mean, I'm looking right at it. You can hear it popping and crackling. Huh. Okay, let's slam the door. Let's see what happens. Pretty cool how the glass itself is tinted all the way through. When I got my Camaro tinted, of course they just put film on glass. Okay, this time I've got an itty bitty tiny piece and a much bigger piece. I'm gonna throw the smallest one first, see if it'll crack. If it doesn't, then I'll throw the second piece. 3, 2, 1, go. Nothing. 3, 2, 1, go.
You serious?
Missed. Here you go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Unreal.
Didn't work. I can see a definite scratch, an actual indentation. There is glass chipped off of there. Okay, try it again. 3, 2, 1, go. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. That was awesome. Wondered how that would go on this Cherry Bomb logo.
Would you look at this? You know what I mean?
All right, so what we're gonna do now is get after this rear window. We were gonna shoot this with my little Pump Master, little Red Ryder thingy. So I've got my safety goggles on. We'll see what this thing does. 3, 2, 1, safety. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. That was cool. All right, here comes a rock. Well, that was a lot of fun. I haven't busted windows out since grade school. Oh, wait, never mind. That wasn't me. That wasn't me. Anyway, I've always wanted to bust windows out like that, and I did it for a reason, and that reason will be in the next video on this truck. And be sure and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new content about this truck and all my other projects on this channel. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. Be sure and hit that like switch on your way out. We'll see you next time.